Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a company called Dabur India Limited. So before going to this particular company, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video so that whatever effort I am putting, it will reach you in time. So this Dabur India Limited company it is in FMCG sector and it is dealing in consumer care and food products. And this company is having a market capitalization of around 94,380 crore. Currently, this price of the stock is 534 and yearly high is 553 and yearly low is around 385. And this company is very good, and you can see the ROCE value, that is 33.9 percentage. That is looking good. ROE value is also good, that is 29 percentage. And you can see the last 1 year, the percentage of growth is not that much, 5.51 percentage. And the last 3 years it is given 16.3 percentage, and also return over the 5 years also almost same, that is 16.8 percentage. The biggest advantage here is debt to equity ratio is very low, that is 0.03 percentage. And the promoter is also having very good holding, that is 67.9, almost 68 percentage. So now if you look at the 1 year chart, you don't find that much growth. But if you look at the 5 year chart, you see from the last 5 years, from 240 level, 248 or 250 level, you can see from 2016 to 21, you can see now it is at 534. So this is gradually keep on increasing its share price, and the value is also, and the company is also good. So every year you can see it is making higher highs and higher lows. So that is a very good sign for it, and that shows the company is progressing well. And if you look at the advantages, I think disadvantages are less for this company, but the advantages are more. Here you can see the company has reduced the debt, and company is almost debt free, and this company is also giving a very good return on equity, that is for the last 3 years 29.12, 29.12 percentage, and the company is also maintaining a healthy dividend payout also, that is 68.98 percentage. So that is also very good for this company. And when you look at the consolidated profit and growth statement, you can see the net profit, so every year this keep on increasing. So that shows the company is growing, and also EPS ratio is also keep on increasing every year, you can see. So that is a very good sign for this particular company, and they are also paying dividend each and every year. So that is also very good. And if you look at the compounded sales growth, that is only 3%. Compounded profit growth is also a little less, negative, that is -3%. Stock price CAGR is positive, that is 6%. Return on equity is very good, that is 29%. So now we will go to the technical chart, and in the technical chart you can see in during the pandemic, that is on 20th of March, you can see it touched a low of around 390 level. So from there, from afterwards, you can see the price of the stock is keep on increasing, and it is following this trend line, you can see. So it is just touching this trend line, again it is going, again it is coming to this trend line, again it is going up. So it is actually the price of the stock is keep on increasing from 390 level. So currently it is at 534 level. So and the yearly high or the all-time high is also around 552 level. So once this crosses this 552 level, then you can see it is going to make another high. And if you have the patience to wait for some few months, then you can see it will go to a target of around 640 levels. But as you know, it will not go directly. Initially it will go to a height of around 590 level, then again it will come back, again it will go up, again it will come back, again it will go up. So I think fundamentally and technically this particular stock is very good, and if you are interested, definitely you can buy this company and keep it hold for some few months. So this company will definitely give a very good return. So this company, even though the growth of this company is little slow, you can see, but definitely it will not go down, what I feel. So if you are interested, definitely you can go and purchase this particular company. Anyway, thank you all of you for listening this particular video. If you like it, please subscribe to this channel, and also please inform this information to all your friends and relatives. Thank you.